Hello everyone, this is Learn Excel Now, and we're here to cover some more of the basics. In this video we're going to talk a little bit more about the record macro button and what it does and how you can best take advantage of it. I'm sure most of you have at least tried or experimented with record macro, as that's usually a good segue into working with Visual Basic independently. So if you look up here, you can see the record macro button, and I'm just going to run through exactly what it does and just explain it. So once we click on record macro, it literally does exactly what you expect. It records a macro that is later you can later find in the Visual Basic editor, and then you can edit it. You can tell Excel to activate it once more and just play around with it. So we'll just call this one test. Okay, so everything that we do here will be recorded, and later we'll be able to see it in the editor. So let's select A5 through A12. We're going to go ahead and take the bold off. We're going to copy this, go over here to D4, paste it, and we'll let that be it for our recording. So if you go back to the Visual Basic editor, you will see right here we have a new module, and see, like we called it, it's a test. We will find exactly what we did previously. So just like I did, we selected a range, we took the bold off of the selection, and we copied it, went over to D4, selected that cell, and then we pasted it. So now what I can do with this is, first I can see exactly how the code works. If I know something I want to do but don't know the exact code, and I don't want to go to Google or a forum of some sort online to find the code, this is a very simple way to do it quickly, and you'll have the code right here in your Visual Basic editor. So from this I can also take it, I can copy it, I can go back down here, we can call this test 2, and then I can do whatever else I might want with this macro. So let's say I want to do the exact same thing except bold instead of take the bold off. I can do that. So this just becomes a very helpful way to begin working with macros, and if you could play around with it, you can see that it's just a logical system, as all programming is. Running through these things, you can really get a feel for how to do things on your own. So this will cover this video. Stick around and we'll get really into the basics of writing your own program from scratch. Thanks for watching.